Good morning. Welcome back to Cleaning is My Therapy. My name is Jamie and I am finally spring cleaning. I am so ready for spring. It has been nice and the weather has just been absolutely gorgeous here. We have been working on our pool, trying to get it ready. My daughter and all of her friends have been begging us to open up the pool because it has been about the high 80s. So we did have a little cold front that came in this week, but we're still working on the pool and just ready for summer and spring. But I am starting out in the kids' bathroom. It is not that bad. My son did clean the bathroom a couple of days ago, but it's just not a good clean. So I am going to just deep clean in here. And underneath their bathroom sink was terrible. It needs a good organizing. I do want to get some organizing bins for underneath their sink because they do not have any drawers in here. So I want to get it organized where, he can have his stuff and she can have all of her stuff, which she's got way more. But I do want to wash like the walls down and everything. But I'm just going to get started underneath this bathroom sink. I mean, it was terrible, but it really wasn't that bad. It just needed to be organized better. But I have got the next few weeks planned out on spring cleaning. I have got my list, and I have already made my list on what I am wanting to get done in these areas of my house. So I wanted to start with the bathroom, the hallway, the laundry room, and our office. So I got all that cleaned in today's video. So, and then next week I am going to work on the living room and so on.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good, I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
But I do like to try to keep extra hygiene products underneath the bathroom sink. So whenever my daughter's friends are over, if they need anything, it's there. Or if we have company, I just like to keep extra soap and deodorants and stuff like that underneath here for guests. I even have like a few extra sponges, like loofahs that the kids are not using. They're brand new. I like to keep extra under here. Just, when, like I said, when my daughter's friends are over and they go to take a shower, at least they've got something they can wash their body with. But just got this all organized. This is what it looks like. I need to get some more organizers for under here, but I do have a basket of feminine products. I try to keep a bunch of different ones for when my daughter's friends are over. They got something. Some bars of soap. My daughter likes to wash her face with those. And extra toothpaste. And then my son's got some extra deodorant. But yeah. So I'm just going to go in with my Lysol disinfectant. Spray the trash can down really good. And spraying the toilet down, just getting it ready for a good cleaning and wipe down. And these microfiber rags I bought off of Amazon. They were $6 for a pack of 24. They're okay. They are not my favorite. They're too small. I had bought some new ones because my kids had ruined my last ones by washing them with everything else. So there was dog hair, there was hair on them, and they were just gross and I couldn't get them clean. So I wanted to get some new ones, but these are actually way too small. So I'm going to be ordering some more, and then I'm just going to disinfect this little potty seat. The little girl I babysit every now and then, we had been working on potty training, so, and her little potty seat stays here, so whenever she's here, she's got her little seat. But anyways, I'm just gonna get everything wiped down and disinfect it.
It's not a matter. Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. Dressed in cigarette smoke, is it the print you wanna leave behind? Get all those cold eyes cold looking, or say it bye, bye, bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Was it hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love. Hot for you, baby love. Yeah, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy.
So I'm just going to start by adding some Lysol all-purpose cleaner in the bucket, and then I'm going to add some hot water, and I'm going to get these walls washed down because it is a bathroom and the walls in the bathroom are always nastier. So I'm going to get those wiped down really well, and then I'm going to move on and get this cabinet wiped down. And then when I am done with that, I'm going to get all of these doors wiped down, and then we're going to move on out into the hallway.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on.
But this one is the bathroom door. I don't know if you can see, but all the dirt. This is Valkyrie's always opening up this door, but like she scratches at the kids' doors. So there's like tons of dirt and everything on them. So I'm just gonna go back in with my Lysol all-purpose disinfectant spray. I love this stuff. I've been using it since the kids were babies, and now my oldest is 17 and my youngest just turned 15. So I have been using Lysol for years. But I'm just gonna spray the doors down. I let it sit, for a few minutes so it can like properly disinfect. But see how dirty the doors were? They were pretty bad. That's just from the dogs. Well, mostly Valkyrie. She tries to open up the kids' doors, but the bathroom door and the laundry room door are the only doors in the house that she can actually open because it's got the push down handles. So I'm gonna get the doors wiped down really good, and then I'm going to wash these walls. And vacuuming and mopping is like the last thing I do. I wait until I am completely done with the laundry room, the office, and then I go in and I'll vacuum and mop the floors.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only.
So I'm just giving everything a light dusting. It's not even that bad because he had just dusted in here a few days ago. So I kind of just went around, gave it a little light dusting. I'm going to dust off my computer and then I dust his. And that's pretty much all I do in here. I don't really wash the walls because he's got too much stuff up on the walls. And I don't want to accidentally knock anything over because I did last year. And I thought I had broke something, but thank goodness I did not. So I don't really mess with a whole lot in there. So now I'm just getting moved on into the laundry room, and you guys will see this was terrible. It was so bad. There's laundry soap spilt on there, and then the cat eats up there, so there was cat hair and some cat food. So it was just terrible. But I'm just going to give it all a quick wipe down, and then I'm going to get moved on to this shelf up here because it was bad.
You knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
So this is just the start of my spring cleaning series of videos I've got coming. So I was waiting on something to come in the mail, and it finally did. I found some window products because I really needed some like different scrubbers to get into the window sills really good so I can get them cleaned. And because like last year I couldn't get them like really good and clean the way I want them. So I found those. So I will be showing you those and we're going to see how they work together next week. But if there's any other kind of videos you guys want to see, leave it down below. Because I'm not sure. I want to film stuff that you guys want to see as well. I actually was thinking about doing a morning routine video. And like an after dark clean with me. I'm sorry, Valkyrie is wanting outside. But if there's anything particular video that you guys want, just let me know and I'll get that filmed for you guys. And I hope you guys have a fantastic Tuesday and a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you guys next week. Bye.